In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply any number by 10. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 25 times 10, and in math there's always steps involved, and I'll go through each step, and there's a reason why the 0 and the 10 is colored a different color. So the first step is you can use place values to multiply by 10. So think of 10 as 110. So in place value, we talk about tens, hundreds, thousands. In this case, we're talking about tens. So you can replace the number 10 with the words 110. So then we can rewrite this. 25 times 10 can be rewritten as 25 times 110. And there's links in the description below to some of the related videos that I've done that are related to this topic. So take a look at them if you need a refresher. So then 25 times 110 equals 25 tens, which really means 250. You just put a 0 here, and that's the end of it. So for any number that you're multiplying by 10, you just take the 0 and you tack it on to the end of it, and that's the answer, just like this. And that's why I colored the 0 in as blue, so that you can remember that the answer will be the number and then you add on the 0 at the end. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just take a look at the video again. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it.